Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, messages, energy check-ins, prediction. Okay, so yun. Anyway, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa ating private reading, sa ating mga protection from evil eye, okay, so ito yung mga sample natin, so ito rin sila. Okay, so nandito lang sila lahat. Kung inyong gustong makita, message na lang po kayo, And, protection from evil eye, love bracelet, si granter, okay? And doon sa ating bago, para sa cord cutting, message na lang po, sa akin pong FB page for more info. And yes, if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, just message po, lang sa kanya pong FB page para sa ibang info. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsy naman po tayo magme-message, okay? So there. So let's start the reading. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. You can check your other placements po, kung alam niyo po, yung inyong other placements. Your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, and North Node. Okay, so ano bang meron for Aries? Why Aries? Air placements, air signs. Okay, some of you, maybe you might be dealing with an Aries. Okay, the Queen of Swords. This is being ready. Okay, being ready. Oh, the Lovers. Are you ready? Some of you, this is like an energy of may chance na may magtatanong. Okay? Pwedeng may magtatanong, gusto ng kalinawan, someone, pwedeng may magpupursige dito, may magiging open, meron ditong gusto makipag-connect sa'yo like romantic. Okay, some of you, there's this an offer, okay, or partnership, lalo na if you're into business, okay, may something na ganyan po. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Energy ng meetings, okay, HR, pwede yan. Queen of Swords, HR, mga ganyan. Lawyer, some of you, may mga ganyang energy. Okay, this is like a connection. Or sabihin nating pagkikita or pag-uusap. Okay, sa mga legal actions na pwedeng mangyari. Okay? Or kung ano mang meron sa inyo sa ngayon. Okay. What else? The Six of Cups in reverse. Ooh, what's this? What's with the Six of Cups in reverse? The Devil in reverse. So, meron energy, a past person maybe, or someone from the past, okay? Not technically, romantic agad, kapag sinabi kong person sa past. Okay? So, kung sino man to, they're bitter. They're sad. Some of them, they know na they owe you an apology. Okay, they owe you an apology. Pero they're dropping it like, wala akong pakalam sa'yo, parang ganun. Sila pa yung galit. Okay, so mas maganda kung ikaw, alam mo sa sarili mo na, tawag dyan, ayaw nilang humingi ng sorry sa'yo, ikaw na yung magpatawad. Mas maganda na yun. Okay? Mas maganda na yun. Wag na tayong magpaliwanagan. Basta ang sinabi ko, mas magandang ikaw na lang yung magbigay ng forgiveness kahit hindi nila sinasabi, kahit hindi nila hinihingi. Okay? Para rin sa'yo yun, sumunod ka na lang. Okay? So, anyway. So, what else? The Six of Swords. What's with that? The Judgment. Meron ako dito nakikita gusto nang umalis. Or merong aalis. Meron magta-travel. Some of you, may chance na matuloy na yung travel na talagang pinagkahanda-handaan mo. Okay, pinagplanuhan. Kahit madalas hindi natutuloy, yung mga planado na. Well, mas maganda yung biglaan parang ganyan, natutuloy. Di po ba? No? So, meron ditong parang energy na may maiiwan dito sa lakad na to. Yung iba sa inyo, okay? Pwede kasing may biglaan na lang hindi mapapayagan, something like that, or something like may conflict lang ng kauntian sa kanyang schedule, kaya hindi siya makakasama. Excuse me. Yeah. Page of Wands. Kung ano man ito, a plan, goal, may chance na pwede talagang masimulan, maumpisahan. Okay? Mas maganda kapag narinig mo na tong reading na to, simulan mo na. Okay? Simulan mo na. Kung ano man yun. Okay? Yeah, again. See? Shuffle natin yun. Simulan mo na kung ano man yun. Huwag ka nang magpaada-ada. Huwag ka nang stop procrastinating, stop delaying things. Kung sa tingin mo meron kayong kailangang gawin, may kailangang simulan, as simple as that, do it. Huwag mo nang i-delay. Okay? Kung meron kang plano, ay gusto ko palang ganito, ay gusto ko palang ganito, gawin mo na. Okay? Gawin mo na agad. So, next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Hi! So, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, fire signs. Yan. Kumusta kayo? Ngayon na lang ulit. Oo. So, ano bang meron for fire signs? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, the Ten of Cups Universe. What's that? May mga kamag-anakan kayong talagang hindi natutuwa, no? Oo, sa kung ano mga naaabot ninyo ngayon, sa mga success, lalo na may mga successful dyan, may mga naiinggit, may mga nagagalit, may mga hindi natutuwa in general sa paligid mo. Pero specific, relatives. Ha? Okay? Yeah. Some of them, guguluhin ka pa nila. Sabihin, ay mali ito, mali yan, dapat hindi ganyan. Don't listen. Don't. Okay? Just don't. See? Gusto kasi nila, hindi ikaw maging okay. Yeah. Huwag ka makikinig. Lalo na kung alam mo sa sarili mo, no, na kung nasan ka man ngayon na sitwasyon, like lalo kung successful ka, at ikaw lang, walang tulong ng iba, huwag kang makinig. Oo, pagpatuloy mo lang. Oo, real talk. Okay? Makinig ka sa opinion kung gusto mo, pero kung anong alam mo at sa tingin mo yun dapat, yun na sundin mo. Okay? Nakakita ko ng energy dito ng fixed marriage. Yeah, fixed marriage. Kumusta? Parang may ayaw. Anyway. Eight of Pentacles. Fixing. Focus. Being busy. Okay? The Knight of Pentacles, Universe. Some of you, ikaw itong magtatrabaho, mag-iipon. Okay, OT. Yan, nakukuha ko. Okay lang to. Oo, marami akong bayarin parang ganyan. Or sabihin natin, okay lang to, gusto ko mag-ipon. Parang ganon. Advice ko, magkaroon ng limit, okay? Baka mamaya, yung pinag-iipunan mo, sa hospital lang din ang bagsak. Ha? Okay? Be careful. Some of you, ikaw itong gagastos pagdating sa sasakyan mo. Okay? Sa sasakyan. Meron ka na ring mga itatapon, yung mga hindi na nagana. Okay? May mga ganyang bagay. What else? You have a stalker. Stalkeries. Fire signs. May mga nag-i-stalk sa inyo. Don't know kung sino. The Empress in reversed. Four of Cups. Four of Cups in reversed. I'm seeing here, some of you ha, kung ikaw itong nasa first trimester ng iyong pagbubuntis, be careful. Okay? Kung kailangan mong magpahinga, magpahinga. Okay? Ayaw natin na may masasakripisyo. Okay? Yeah, the Sun. Pahinga. Napaka-specific ng message na yun po. Okay? So, yeah. Meron ditong nangihinayang. May nangihinayang dito. Yeah, see the star in reverse. Ano to? Feeling hopeless. What's with this? The Empress in reverse. The Hermit. Something. Okay, something. Sabihin natin kung sino man to, tinatago na lang niya to eh. Okay? It's like, hayaan ko na lang kaysa naman makasira ako ng kung ano man. Something like, masaya siya doon. Something like, okay siya doon. So, ako, mananahimik na lang ako. Pero tong taong to, nangihinayang to. Kung sino man to. May nangyaring missed opportunity. Ang tingin niya sa'yo, you're the one that got away niya. Okay? Yeah, you're the one that got away. Some of them, they're Virgo, Taurus, Libra, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay? Yeah. The Page of Cups in reverse. Someone pwedeng younger. Yeah, see? There's this age gap or maybe age difference nga, no? This person loves you. They like you maybe. They want you. Pero, parang pinaubaya ka niya. Oo. Ay, kasi naman to. They're sad. They're sad. Andun yung panghihinayang. Yeah, death in reverse. Someone from your past. Okay? So, maybe, the one who's talking you is your past person or ex. Maybe. Kung related naman yun sa work, so, pwedeng may mga tao na nanghihinayang. I don't know kung ikaw ay umalis sa pinagtatrabahuhan mo lately. Or aalis. May mga manghihinayang sa'yo. Okay? So, there. Next, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Hi! Okay, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Water signs. Okay, mensahe, gabay, prediction, energy check-ins. Ano bang meron? Kailangan malaman ng mga water signs. The Two of Wands. Crossroads. Decisions. Options. Being indecisive. This is like pagpili. Okay? May mga ganyang energy. The Eight of Wands. Oh. Pwedeng may darating na sitwasyon dito na kailangan mong pumili pero hindi ka kaagad gagawa ng action or hindi ka kaagad sasagot. This is like something na pwedeng work-related. Okay? There's this energy na pwedeng sa trabaho ito. Kailangan mong pumili. Okay? Parang ganyan. Okay? I don't know kung gusto mo yun. Some of you, this is an energy of sa paganda. Pero I don't know bakit kailangan mo pang magdalawang isip. Kasi may pagdadalawang isip dito. Some of you kasi meron ditong travel ako nakikita. So maybe if this is talking about travel like sa ibang bansa, magtatrabaho, may chance na may pagdadalawang isip eh. Okay, may opportunity po na pwedeng dumating. Pero pagdadalawang isipan pa. Okay? Hindi naman masama na pag-isipan. Okay, pero actionan. Okay? Three of Cups. Somebody is thinking of you. Someone na malayo sa'yo. Friend. Yeah, the High Priestess. Okay? Anong meron dito? Some of you, meron kang mga kaibigan ha, na talagang pinag-uusapan ka kapag nakatalikod ka na. Okay? I don't know kung ano to. Ano tong the High Priestess? What's with this High Priestess? There's these secrets. Yeah, the Emperor in reverse. I don't know if this is talking about yung attitude mo or kung ano mang meron na nakikita nila. Okay? Mga responsibilities maybe. Hindi sila nagiging totoo, I think. Okay? The Emperor in reverse. Hindi kasi sila maging straightforward eh. Okay? Hindi sila maging open. I don't know why, kung bakit kailangan ka pa nilang pag-usapan behind your back. Okay? Yeah, see? Nakatalikod ka, oh. I don't know. Some of them, nandun yung energy ng hindi sila ganun ka-grateful sa kung anong meron sa'yo. Some of you kasi, ikaw itong tumalikod sa kanila. Okay? So, laging may nasasabi at nasasabi itong mga to. Okay? Sabihin ay napaka makasarili naman or whatsoever. Okay? Lagi nilang tinitingnan yung sabihin nating hindi dapat tingnan. Okay? Mga ganyang bagay ba? Hindi sila nagiging totoo. Anyway, so what else? Some of you sa workplace, meron ako dito nakikita ng energy ng third party involvement. Be careful. Okay? Baka ma-involve ka. Ha? Okay? Opo. May nakikita akong ganyan. Some of you, pwedeng your boss is into you. Okay? Pwedeng na papansin-pansin mo yun. May mga hints, may mga signs, no? Itong boss mo na very into you, na gusto ka nila. Okay? Be careful. Layuan mo hanggat kaya, hanggat maaari. Lalo na kung alam mong hindi pwede. Okay? The Lovers. Okay, what's with that? Okay, yeah, the Three of Wands. Some of you, ikaw itong magkakaroon ng karelasyon na pwedeng LDR. Okay? Pwedeng LDR. Yeah, the Ace of Cups. I don't know kung magiging long term yun. Some of you, you'll reject. Okay? A connection. A romantic connection maybe. You'll reject. Okay. What's with this? Diba kasi sa inyo, pwedeng may hinihintay ka talagang specific person eh. That's why. Okay? Kahit may mga dumarating, ayoko nun, ayoko sa'yo, ayoko nyan, ayoko ganito, mga ganun bagay. Kasi meron akong gusto. Yeah. The Justice. Ace of Swords. Some of you, be careful nga with the third party connection. Be careful. Unrequited. Yeah. Tagong connection, tagong relasyon. That is why. Okay. Yeah, the Page of Swords. Meron ditong pwedeng makikita, may mahuhuli. someone will get caught. Something like that. Okay, some of you, meron akong energy dito na nakikita na if you're in a connection right now, like matagal na, nakakuha ko ng energy dito na pwedeng darating yung pagkakataon na ikakasal kayo nitong taong to. Okay, with a Gemini, Libra, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay? Kung hindi man kasal to, long-term connection, long-term commitments. Okay? Yeah. So there. Anyway. So next, Earth signs. Okay, hi Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Anong meron? Oo, sa mga Earth signs, mensahe, gabay, prediction, energy check-ins. The Ten of Pentacles in reversed. Why? So, iba sa inyo, may pagkakagastusan. Okay. Anong meron dyan sa Ten of Pentacles in reversed? The King of Cups. Some of you, pwedeng meron kang bibilihin something na gustong gusto mo. Okay? Somebody wants you. Some of you, somebody wants you. Somebody loves you. Okay? Pero I don't know kung bakit ganito. Ano tong Ten of Pentacles in reversed? They can't commit. Hindi nila kaya mag-commit sa'yo. Pero yeah, this person loves you. I think there's this energy na pwedeng may hindrance sa connection. Okay? Some of them, hindi pa sila ganun ka-stable enough. Maybe. Yeah. They have to work muna. Something like that. Yeah, the Emperor in reversed. Pwedeng hindi pa sila ganun ka-stable. Yeah. Pero may goal itong taong to na sabihin nating maging stable in the near future. Yeah. Yeah. Pwedeng itong taong to is malayo. Malayo sa'yo. Kung sino man yan, yeah, they love you. Really. Like, genuine. Okay? Pero, yeah. May pangako to sa sarili niya. I think, may pangako siya sa sarili niya. Hindi niya sa'yo sinasabi, pero sa sarili niya. Yeah. Mga ganun bagay ba? No? Sounds cliche, pero, yeah. Anyway. The Knight of Pentacles in reverse. So, sinasabihan ka dito, Earth signs, na medyo mag-ipon-ipon. Okay? Or the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. For the better. Some of you, ikaw itong gagastos para sa bahay. Okay? Some of you. Huwag masyadong mabagot. Huwag masyadong maging impatient. Okay? Some of you, you're on the right path. You're on the right direction. Lalo na patungkol sa stability. Okay? Yeah, see the Empress. Nasa tamang direction kayo, huwag kayo mainip. Kung hindi nyo nakikita na nagkakaroon ng pag-usad, whatsoever, patuloy nyo lang. Okay? Patuloy nyo lang. Somebody wants a long-term connection with you. They want marriage with you. This is like a slow burner connection. Some of you. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng mauuna pa yung sabihin natin, may mauuna pang, sabihin natin may anak. Merong may anak. Pwedeng ka, may anak ka. Yeah, nakakuha ko ng energy na pwedeng makakita ka pa rin ng someone else. Lalo na kung single parent ka. Mapababae, mapalalaki. Kung ano man ang gender mo. Nakakuha ko ng, yes, sabihin natin long-term partner pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, wag ka na mag-worry. Wag ka na ma-stress. Hindi mo rin kailangang madaliin kung ano man ang meron sa'yo ngayon. Okay? The Knight of Wands in reverse. Who is this? Who is this? Iba sa inyo, pagdating sa kaperahan po hindi malaman kung anong kailangang subukan, kung anong kailangang gawin. Ang daming resources. No? Ang daming resources. Ano tong Knight of Wands in reverse? Hindi mo masama, no? Maraming income. Maging stable lang. Okay? Kung kayo nyo namang gawin lahat, no? Nang sabay-sabay, di maganda. Knight of Wands in reverse, Temperance in reverse. Yeah. Ito Earth sign. Some of you, you have this person. Pwedeng mangyayari pa lang. Okay, so gawing gabay. Meron ditong tao, no, na gusto niya na may mangyari sa inyo kahit wala pa mang kayong relasyon. They just want sex. Okay, pwedeng fire sign, pwedeng Sagittarius. Yeah, this is big Sagittarius placements. Okay. Ano tong meron dito? Knight of Wands in reverse. Some of you, a short-term connection pwedeng mangyari. Knight of Wands in reverse. Yeah. A new person, maybe. A new person. Pwedeng mafo-fall ka. Okay? Pero this is a short-term connection. Yeah. Ten of Swords in reverse. Death in reverse. Short-term. So, sabihin natin, pwedeng mag-expect ng maganda dito sa taong to, pero hindi eh. Hindi ko nakikitang dapat mag-expect ka kasi some of them, may chance na same energy lang from your past person itong taong to. Whether past or new, a connection, pwedeng dumating, and this is like short-term, sex-based for some of you, or sabihin natin meron lang talagang gustong makipag-sex sa'yo kahit wala naman kayo. Okay? This is lust, not love. Okay? This is lust. See? Madalian lang. Okay? Pero may papasok na isa pa. And I think, ito yung parang, some of you ang daming connection. Okay? Ang daming connection na darating. Pero, kung sino man tong isang ito, parang meron kayong marireject na yun dapat ang hindi dapat i-reject. Just be careful sa pagpili. Okay? Maraming parating earth signs. Lalo na sa mga, sabihin natin walang pakialam dyan sa love. I'm so sorry. Oo. Well. Ganoon naman talaga. Yung mga walang pakialam sa love. Yung puro pera-pera, yung puro trabaho-trabaho. Sarili ko lang to, ganto, ganyan. Yun pa nakakakuha. So, ganun na lang. Yung mga iba dyan na gusto lagi ng love. Ganun muna gawin nyo. Gayahin nyo tong iba. Yes. Okay? Kasi if you're craving for someone's energy, then, ibibigay sa'yo ni universe yung pagkikrave mo. Magkikrave ka na magkikrave. Kung ibigay man yung person, magkikrave ka. Okay? Ganun lang. Ganun lang kasimple. So, learn how to sabihin nating imaniobra or pagalawin yung frequency or energy. Okay? Mas maganda. Yeah. Okay, so yun lang ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.